Hello and welcome back. Today I filmed a makeup look inspired by Taylor Swift's second album, Fearless. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Fair Beige to prime my eyelids. Starting with the shade Sand from the Violet Voss Essentials palette in the outer corner and through the crease. This is a warm, soft brown for building off of. Applying the Aloys Get Lip Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow in pure gold all over this lid. I'm almost using it to create a cut crease, but it's not really one. Packing the shade Gold all over the lid, softening the gold foil shadow. You can still see the gold and sparkle shine through. I wanted to use this alone, but it was too dark of gold and didn't quite fit what I was going with. Taylor's second album, Fearless, is a beautiful golden aesthetic. This topper shadow was too light of a yellow, so a sheer wash of it worked perfectly with the base color. Deepening the outer corner with the shade Cinnamon. I needed more depth and warmth in the outer corner. Setting the brow bone with the shade Cream for a highlight. I'm also using this to blend the edges of the lid shades. Using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Primer for a sticky base. Since it's hot, it helps my makeup grip so well that it doesn't budge if I sweat. Letting my base get tacky while I apply the foil shadow as an eyeliner for a little depth. You really only see it in the light, so it's a step that's not really necessary. Lol. Using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Fair Beige to cover dark circles. Really just focusing it on the center of my face. Using the e.l.f. Camo Blush in Dusty Rose with a brush, a sponge lifts too much of the product. If you accidentally use too much, you can use your sponge to lift some of it off or add a thin layer of foundation over it. For foundation, I'm using a half and half mixture of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay foundation in 110. I keep it on the outer parts of my face and where I haven't put product yet. Baking with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Powder in Light with the powder puff, pressing it into my pores and where I get oily. Lightly setting the rest of my face with a fluffy powder brush, the dusting off the excess powder. Bronzing with the Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette to warm up my face. For an added rosy gold sheen, I'm adding the blush topper from the same face palette. Highlighting with the same face palette. I love having a palette I can do multiple things with. Using a mattifying setting spray to lock in my makeup all day. Framing my bottom lash line with the gold foil liquid shadow. It adds such a pretty shine, especially when the light hits it. Highlighting the inner corner with the shade Cream. Adding a little extra to my nose and Cupid's bow. Topping the eyes with the ColourPop X Lizzie McGuire Glitter Gel in Sing to Me Paolo. Filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. I like to keep my brows more on the natural side. Setting my brows in place all day with the clear e.l.f. Brow Lift Gel. Lining my eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in black. Finishing the eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in black. This look would look so good with false lashes, but I was just going and running errands and doing family stuff. Lashes would have been a bit much for the day lol. Lining and filling in my lips with the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner in Pinky Swear. I wanted the lips to be softer, so the eyes were the main focus. Topping it with the e.l.f. Face Satin Lipstick in Dirty Talk. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.